Welcome to SpearsFever.com's Sexy Fitness Break.
I am Susanna with another fun exercise that you can use to improve your sex life. Today's exercise is called the doggy lift. It's perfect for those of us who enjoy sex from behind, and it's also a very hard exercise to watch, so enjoy! For more videos and pictures, please visit my site SpearsFever.com. See you next time!